kitchen. Don't show them, but my daughter's here, my husband's here, my friend Michelle is here to help me with this lesson. Sorry, it's going to be awkward. So at this point, you guys hopefully already know how to find the volume of prisms and cylinders. And we talked about, as long as there's a matching top and a matching bottom, it's the area of the base, or the number of jelly beans in the bottom layer, times the height. So that's what we've been working on for the last couple of days. Today, and again, matching top and bottom, same formula. Today we're going to do the volume of these things. So, cone, pyramid. First, I kind of want you to make a guess. Compare these two shapes. Notice they have the same size base. They have the same size circular bottom. And they have the same height. So what I want you to think about right now is if I fill this with water, which is why I'm here in the kitchen, by the way. If I fill this with water and I pour it into this cylinder, how many times do you think I could, let me try it again. How many times could I pour this in here before I would fill it up? So I want you to make a guess.
I would say 2.
You think 2? You think 3? How many times could I fill this up and pour it in there before this is full? So I've got a 2, I've got a 2, and I've got a 3. Any other guesses? All right, so let's see. Fill it up once. May not be perfect. Okay. Would you like to change your guess? So far I filled it 1 time. Anybody
I
want
would
to change their
say
guesses?
2.5.
2.5.
Okay. Dorks. Filling it up twice. Are we sticking with your guess?
It's 3.
Okay, let's see if it's 3. All right. Perfect.
Oh my gosh.
So, how many times did it take before I could fill that up? 3, which
3
means
times.
the volume of this is 1/3 the volume of this.
Yeah.
Okay, now you guys don't have to answer me on the next one if you don't want to. This guy, let's put one inside the other, may not look like it, but this guy, the cone, takes up 1/3 of the space of the cylinder. That's why it takes 3 of these. All right, how about this one? I'll do it again.
Half.
You go with half this time. Okay, so again, they have a matching base. The bases are the same. Again, their heights are the same. So how many of these do you think it's going to take?
2.
2 for you also? All 2? Okay. Everybody says 2. My family's kind of slow. Sorry. Sorry, kids. They're a little slow. They all think 2 still, even though I swear I just did the lesson. Okay, still going with 2?
I would say 3.
All right, woohoo! I'll try to go a little faster. Cheers. Up. 2. 1 more.
Yep. 3.
It might not be perfect, but it should be darn close. Okay? So, here's what you're supposed to get out of this. If they have the same size base and the same height, then anything that comes to a point, a pyramid or a cone, takes up 1/3 of the space. So the formula that we used to use for things that had matching bases, that formula now is going to be 1/3 of that. So your formula for anything that has a point is going to be that formula that we were using divided by 3, or 1/3 area of the base times the height. So your new formula for the next couple of days, gotta get the water off my hands, it's going to be 1/3 area of the base times the height, which is do what you did up there and divide by 3 at the end. Okay, guys? So
Sounds
I'll see you
good.
soon for some examples to work out.